All right, Brad, these are two of my favorite posture exercises.
Posture. You cannot go wrong with
Stick
posture.
around.
Good posture, that is.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
I like these exercises, Brad, because they're easy and they can be done seated.
That's right.
So take your hands, the first one, and make it by the claw position.
Yeah, the claw.
Put it on your forehead, and then with good posture, bring your elbows together and spread them way apart like a butterfly.
So you keep your knuckles right on your temples, kind
Right.
of? Yep, I am doing it.
Really keeps you honest.
And think about bringing your chest out when you come back, so it
Yep,
kind of
and
reciprocates.
shoulders back.
Shoulder blades squeeze.
I actually do 25 of these, Brad.
Really?
Yeah.
All day, you mean every time you do them?
Yep, I do.
Wow, I can feel that on my shoulder blades. Those muscles, those
Yep.
scapular muscles are really going to town.
It's awesome.
Make sure you breathe while you do this. Don't hold things tight.
And when you get done,
Yes,
you got good posture.
I'm feeling very good.
All right, Brad, demonstrate my second one.
All right, this is a nice one done in a chair, of course. You can simply take a towel like we have here, roll it up to whatever diameter you like. This is a pretty thick one, by the way, but
it is.
it works well and it'll probably work good for anyone. In your chair, you need a firm back chair, works a little better. Put that right back,
Along the spine.
yep, between the shoulder blades and lean into it. Getting it in the right position. I'm going to let it slip down a little bit.
Right, absolutely.
Yep.
And then do angels,
Angels.
like angels in the snow.
Yeah. My wife says I am an angel.
Sure, she does.
Yeah, right, exactly. So yeah, and up and again, do it slowly, 5 to 10
And
repetitions.
go all the way down, all the way up.
I'd go down farther, but my arms
Right.
hit the armrest, so
Right.
that's a limit. And up like this. If this creates pain, like 2 months ago, this would have hurt my left shoulder.
Yeah, you're
I
doing
would-
better.
I would simply kind of go work around the pain. Don't make sharp pain with these exercises. Stretch is a little.
All right, Brad, another option
Yeah.
is dodgeball.
Yep, dodgeball or little red ball that bounces. It has to have flex to it, though. A little give is important. Take that, simply use that as opposed
Same
to that.
thing.
Yep. I actually like this one because,
You can adjust it.
yeah, you can get to the tight spots. Like here
Right.
is, I feel like I need it more there versus if I went up. And it's going to be different for every individual. So experiment. Move it up and down. Stretch out. Or you
Yeah,
may
if you could steal one from the neighborhood.
Well, you got. What about? Have your neighbors talked to you about this one yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I never gave
maybe
back when
Chris-
they kicked in my yard.
Christmas gift for
Yeah.
them.
All right. We do have a roll here too.
Yeah, you can take
Lumbar.
any kind of roll. This happens to be a lumbar support, and this is a little bit softer. That might work better for you depending on your body
If
and
you're
your
a
needs.
beginner.
Yep, this is. There we go. Actually, it does feel kind of nice. And I'll do the posture, the wall angels again. All right, 5
All right,
to 10
Brad,
of them.
now
How many
we're
times
gonna-
a day, Bob?
Oh, throughout the day.
Yeah, the more you do it, as long as it doesn't bother your shoulders, go have at it. You'll make it into a fun.
Brad, I thought we'd send some positive vibes.
Yeah,
out
what's
there.
that look like?
We're gonna
Bob.
send the positive
I'm gonna throw the
vibes.
ball at him. Whoa!
Way to go, Brad.
Is it working?
That'll be a good.
I was
cool
gonna
view.
miss the camera by 2 feet.